When was your first kiss and where? When and where was your first kiss?
The same night.
What's my nickname?
Jenny. Kalising Bobo.
Yes.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Stop the guy.
você ganha.
Stop the guy.
Você ganha, cunho.
Conho tá
Nada
bom.
bom, sa. Coi quem soube da papia.
She's lying.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and Benny. He's over there taking pictures of me. But welcome back to another video. We are today on a bike ride and I decided to combine that with the boyfriend tag, or actually Benny decided on that. That was his idea, so let me give credit where credit is due. But that's basically what we're doing. We are at the first location at the moment taking some pictures, and I asked you guys on Instagram and also on my community tab here on YouTube to ask me questions. So if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. That's Jennyfer Ross, to be part of future videos like this. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Let's go! Are you ready for the first question?
I think I am.
You think you are? So Ragini Ranes says, no questions, love you both very much, couple goals. Thank you, Ragini.
Thank you, Ragini.
We love you too. Then somebody else asks, what's something your partner does that makes you angry? Don't do that. Yes, that. I hate it when people do that. Like, how do you say that? Like, make those sounds. Smacking sounds. I hate that. I hate that.
What question?
No, but the question is, what is something your partner does that makes you angry? This what is something that I do that makes you angry?
Taking too long to get ready.
Oh my god, after today you oh wow. Okay.
What did I do today?
Okay. I was waiting for him today to get ready. I told him I would let him know when I got my hair done so that he didn't have to wait too long. He went and he had a whole chat with his dad, which is fine. But 2 weeks ago I did the same thing and he was pissed. He was pissed. So how dare you say that I'm taking too long to get ready?
After 100 times.
Yes? Today you took your revenge, huh?
You need to wait one time and this is what you do.
But you do that all the time. Like, you do that all the time.
You do it every time.
Okay, well, maybe that's true. But like, you know what he also does? Like, I am waiting.
Hey. It's a boyfriend tag. We don't want to know what I do. Okay? We want to know what you do. Okay?
All right.
Next question.
That's all the questions for now.
Okay.
So, thank you so much for
Trying to make it about you again.
Thank you so much for leaving us your questions. We're gonna move on to the next location to answer the next questions.
Look, wave. Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of Benz coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin. Drop a check, watch me double that. I get it lit, I watch it bubble up. Remember
Really?
Yes. Quick little pit stop. Anyways, we are now in Berchem, Benny and I, on the bike. We are in this beautiful Gravity Street. Is it Gravity or Graffiti?
We're in a street with paintings on the wall.
Yes. And it's now time for a few more questions, Benny. So, when and where did we meet? That's a question from Yesenia.
Oh, I need to answer, right?
Yes, you need to answer.
Okay.
When and where did we meet?
So, can you please hold the camera straight? So, this is a Hollywood story. Jenny and I met in the club. So, one day, as I was going to the club with my friends, and we were having a great time, and all of a sudden I saw this girl with her friends making eye contact and doing all kinds of crazy things. So
What
I
story are you telling?
Can you shut up and let me give the story?
Okay.
It's my story, right?
Mm-hmm.
The question is for me, right?
Okay.
So after a few hours, I went to the bar and she was there, and we started chit-chatting. And
Okay, now the real story, please.
can you shut up?
That's just not.
That's how it went for me.
No.
Okay.
No.
So we went to the bar and we were talking, and I met her friends. I let her friends meet my friends. So we were having a great time. And after that, we went to McDonald's to have some fries and chicken. I had a burger because I'm vegan, so I had a vegan burger. So
What is going on?
we exchanged number, and after that, can you please hold the camera straight? We went out and she asked me for a kiss, so I kissed her. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Anyways, I'm lying. Jenny and I met in the library. Very boring, right? In the library, between books and studying people.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for telling the truth.
The other story sounds better, right?
No, it didn't. It did not. Oh my god. I was like, what is happening? That's not how it went. It was a Where was our first date?
Floors in Rotterdam.
Yes.
Was it a date?
Yes, it was a date.
It was not a date.
It was a date. We spoke the whole night and on the phone, and then and then we decided to meet, or I asked you out.
Okay.
I asked you out.
That's how it should be.
Kakaki. When was your first kiss and where? When and where was your first kiss?
The same night.
Yes.
At Floors. She was being a little...
What was I? Huh? You gotta slut shame me again? Yes. Because why did you kiss me on the first night then?
You forced me to.
Stop the ganha, conyo. Stop the ganha.
It's no ganha.
Bota ganha.
No ganha.
Who said I love you first?
She did.
When is my birthday?
I don't know. I forgot.
When is my birthday?
I forgot. Isn't it like 15 November?
Panayo.
Oh, I know. It's February. The 32. The 32nd.
So I never...
February 15.
Okay. One day after Valentine's Day.
And one day before my mother's birthday.
Yes. Rude. I'm an Aquarius.
He's in a car. How is he rude?
I'm an Aquarius. Where was I born?
You were born in Holland.
But now where was
Jenny, we're not gonna do this. 8 months doesn't count. You were born in Holland. Okay. She opened her eyes in Curaçao, but she grew up in Holland.
The question is, where was I born?
Give me, to all my amigas, Jennifer is not from the Caribbean.
Yes, I am.
She is not. She's
Yes,
a bounty. She's white from the inside and black from
Stop
the
that
outside.
shit.
She's not from Curaçao.
People are gonna come for you.
I don't care.
People
I don't care. She lived her whole life. When have you been living in Curaçao for longer than a year? I'm waiting. The amigas are waiting.
In 2015, no, 2005.
Oh, a full year.
A
12
full
months.
year.
12 months.
12 months.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
You're lying.
No, I'm not.
Stop the guy.
Ah, você ganha.
Stop the guy.
Ah, você ganha, cunho.
Konyo tabo.
Nada bom sa. Koi kaya sopa da papia.
She's lying.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I did an internship for a whole year. What are you talking about? You have the nationality of your parents, and I was born there, so I am Antillean, okay?
You are not.
Yes, I am.
You're just claiming to be one. You're a fake one.
Shut the hell up. What is the color of my eye?
Black like Qatar. Black like the night. Isn't it dark brown?
Yes.
No.
Which food do I like and hate?
You love fast food.
True.
Oh.
True.
And she hates greens.
No, I don't.
You hate vegetables, Jenny.
Not anymore.
Are you gonna eat sopropo and antrua?
No, but like that.
See?
No, not those vegetables, but I love vegetables in general now.
You can love vegetables and be selective. You
Yes.
love all of them or you don't.
That's such a Surinamese thing to say.
Thank you.
No.
Those Surinamese. Amawolu is gonna come for you.
Amawolo is not gonna come for me.
She will.
No, she's not. Amawolo, I'm sorry. I love vegetables, but just not the sapropo and antrua, I think it's called. Like, no. But I love the bitawiri though. What is my shoe size?
37 and a half. She has the smallest feet I ever saw.
Yes.
You're like a penguin. But you are.
I'm not very tall either, so...
But you
Yeah, my feet are small, but like, I'm not...
they're not even small. They're extra small.
Oh, please, boy, please.
When we are looking in the sizing section, you are like the first person. That's how small they are.
Well,
See,
it
when
has
I buy shoes,
its perks,
when I
so...
buy shoes, I need to scroll to my size.
Yes.
You are just there.
True. Well, it has its perks. It has its perks. I can get away with wearing kids' shoes sometimes. And my shoes are always cheaper because I have a small size.
And you're proud of that?
Yes, I am.
You shouldn't.
Why not? Why do I need to pay more money because my size? No. No.
How cheap women are.
Oh, please, boy.
And then they want men with expensive shoes.
That's not true.
Meanwhile, they are buying kids shoes. Hey, how is... Ik heb lang niets van Christy gehoord. Hoe gaat het met Christy?
Ik denk dat het goed gaat met Christy.
Hi Christy, laat iets van je horen, ja?
Yeah, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Anyways, we're gonna do the next questions in another location because otherwise the background will get boring. What are we gonna do now?
We're going to the next location, right?
Yes, and what
No, we need to find some food.
Okay. We're gonna find something to eat.
Something to come. Come. Let's go.
Party done?
The party done.
Party
now
done.
Get the hell out of my house.
Okay, we are now at the next location and we're gonna answer a few more questions, okay? What?
Ja, doe dat.
Okay. What's my weirdest habit?
Je kan niet rustig zitten. You can't sit still. She always sticks with her finger, and if I hold her finger, she's sticking with her toes. Toes, right?
Or my foot, yeah.
Yes, or she's moving her foot.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
You're weird.
Whatever. Everybody is weird.
Not me.
Let me not start. You're lucky that this is the boyfriend tag. Anyways,
I'm not lucky, I'm blessed.
what am I good at?
Nothing. Literally nothing.
People are gonna think that you hate me.
I don't hate you, but you're good at nothing.
Wow.
Okay, she can cook. She's creative. She's a good girlfriend when she wants to be. She's a good listener. Yeah, that's what I can come up with now.
Okay. Thank you, Benny.
You're not welcome.
What am I really bad at?
Like you suck. That bad?
Yeah. Am I that good at everything that you need to think that hard?
What are you bad at?
Math.
Huh?
Maths.
Yeah, but I
Mathematics.
is that something? But I don't think you have to do it. I think you can be bad at something when you have to do it.
Well, I'm just very bad at maths.
But you don't have to do it.
No, I don't have to do it, but like,
let's say someone that needs to cook but is really bad at it.
yeah.
That's bad.
Yeah.
So let's see.
So I don't have anything that I'm bad at.
Yes, you have. But I don't know if it's that bad.
Okay. What film makes me cry?
Every movie makes her cry. Every damn movie. Sorry for my language.
I'm a very emotional person, yeah.
How can someone cry for Tom and Jerry? Please explain.
I don't cry for Tom and Jerry.
Oh my god, Jenny.
No, I didn't cry for Tom and Jerry.
Yes, you did.
No, I did cry over the Lion King though. But it was sad. It was really, really sad. I felt so bad for what is his name again? What is the name of the little lion?
Simba.
Simba. I felt so bad for him. And the reason that I don't remember Simba's name is because when I was little, I was not allowed to watch
Bambi.
Bambi.
She's crying.
No, Bambi and also The Lion King because they made me really emotional.
Tom and Jerry.
So my mom put them away.
Everything.
Tom and Jerry is not true. We never even watched Tom and Jerry together. Stop lying.
Stop the Gaia. Stop the Gaia.
Okay. I'm ordering pizza. What toppings do I have?
Barbecue chicken.
Yes.
Or
What's the name of the other one?
Hawaii?
No.
Dinner? I know that you love barbecue chicken. Oh, salami, pepperoni.
Yes, pepperoni. That hits different though. What am I deathly afraid of?
Rats. If you want to kill her, bring her to a rats.
Rats and mice.
And mice.
Yes. What's my favorite color?
You don't have a favorite color.
I don't have a favorite color?
Black. Black is your go-to color.
To wear. But like, what is my favorite color, Benny?
Verde.
Benny, what is my favorite color?
Black.
Black is when it comes to men.
Oh my god.
But what is my favorite color?
I don't know.
But now you know.
Blue? Red. Oh, I know. Amigas, my bad. This girl is very pinkish.
Yes. How could you forget that?
I didn't forget. I just didn't think hard enough.
Okay. Maybe I need to put a little bit more pink in the house. Maybe
Look at pink in your fingers.
Maybe we don't have enough.
No, I'm gonna put you and the pink on the streets.
What is my middle name? What is my middle name?
Faustina.
What's my favorite type of junk food?
McDonald's.
Yes. What's my favorite city?
New York.
Benny, what is my favorite city?
City. New York. Antwerp.
Also, but like...
Rotterdam.
No.
What's your favorite city?
Benny! Oh my god!
Oh, Suriname, Paramaribo.
Also, but like, what is my favorite city?
Paris. What? What's your favorite city?
Barcelona.
Oh yeah.
How could you forget that? We have been there so many times. How could you forget?
Man.
Who are you and what did you do to my boyfriend? What's my least favorite subject in school? If you have this one wrong,
Math.
okay. Okay, I think that's good for now.
Yes, let's go.
At El Basha, that is a Egyptian restaurant, I think, and we're gonna have something to eat. We already ordered, so I'll vlog when food gets here. Food is here. Smakelijk eten, Benny.
Smakelijk eten, Jenny.
We're gonna we finished having dinner and it was so good. I'm so full. Couldn't eat everything. He finished his plate though. He's a champ for that. I am Angelique Martina asks if you both have to move to either Curacao or Suriname, which one would it be and why?
Curacao. I don't know why. Curacao.
You don't know why? Wow, okay. The beach has you crazy.
Yep.
Rona ruined everything. We were supposed to be there in September, but
2 months.
Rona, man.
2 months.
Rona. I would say Su, not because I don't love Curacao, but like I've been there last year and I think like it's very big over there. What?
Oh, Suriname.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I've been to Su last year and I really love it. I think there's so much more to do there. And Curacao, I've lived there for a whole year. It was fun. I could live there forever too. But I would just choose Su because I would choose Su because there's more to do there, more opportunities, and like the cultures are pretty similar. Everything that you can get on Curacao, you can get there as well. Only the beach, yeah, that's one downside. That like y'all don't really have beaches.
We have
like
beaches too, brown beaches. Beaches with brown water. Beach.
Yeah.
We have white beach. We have sand beach.
Yeah, the beach wasn't really my cup of tea.
Yeah. What beach did you go to?
I don't know, the beach that we went to that I put my foot into.
Where?
At Zeedijk or something? I don't know.
Zeedijk ain't no beach.
Oh, what is that then? What is that?
It's just a river.
And also, I don't know, just y'all's water don't attract me to go into. I'm sorry about
You're
that.
just a hater.
I'm
okay?
not a hater.
Why are you discriminating?
I'm not discriminating.
You're discriminating.
No, I'm not.
Okay, if you prefer brown or blue, which one?
Blue.
You see? You're racist.
No, I'm
You're discriminating.
No, I'm not.
Water is water, Jennifer.
No, it doesn't work like that. Come on now.
I would prefer blue water too. And
No.
it ain't blue, it's clear.
Yeah, it's just like I think Su just has more opportunities for what I do in my life and like the work that I do and all of that. I think there's just more opportunities for me there.
Curacao. Next question, please.
Yeah, next question. Allee, come on nu.
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Damn. We belong to the street today, huh?
And to Curacao. Is Curacao een volkslied?
Ja.
Sing it.
Lantanos vos van canta grandeza Dios.
Next question.
Okay. What did you learn from me?
Patience.
Oh.
And to be nice.
Yes.
and
have empathy.
empathy and sympathy.
Yes, very true. What is our song?
Empapiamento.
Yeah. What is our song? Yes.
Kalishing bubble.
Yes, that's our song. And his nickname for me, or his like little name for me, is also Kalishing.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Who is the organized in the relationship?
Repeat that question, please.
Who is the organized in the relationship? You're financially organized and I'm organized.
No, you're just fixing the house.
Yes.
I'm fixing the rest.
Stop. You're just financially organized.
Jennifer.
Yes.
Who puts the garbage outside?
You.
Jennifer. Who puts the paper outside?
You.
Who gives the numbers and those? You just fix the house.
Yeah.
Who makes the plans?
Hey, konjo, te moet kooi konjo. Je moet niet gaan zitten liegen, hè?
Stop the guy, Jennifer.
But stop the guy.
Jennifer, stop the guy.
I'm the one who cleans. I'm the one who decorates. I'm the one who's organizing.
That's what
you
I'm
are
saying.
financially
That's what
organized.
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You are fixing the house. I'm doing the
Fixing
rest.
the house, it sounds like I decorate all day. Okay, I do too. But yo, don't be like that though. Don't be like that.
Yo, but since it's a boyfriend tag, who needs to answer?
Okay, you should. I'm sorry.
All right, people, amigas. I'm the organizer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna keep going with our bike, and then we'll finish it off at home.
Yes.
See, amiga?
Yes.
See?
Yes. Bon, amiga. So, amiga, we are back home now. And it was such a good bike ride. It was such a fun day. We have 3 more questions left. And we're gonna answer them now. Oh, I'm sitting in front of the TV. What am I watching?
Pretty Little Liars.
Yes. Who is more jealous? Yeah, I'm the more jealous one. If I was an animal, which one would I be?
A dolphin.
Okay, that's cute. Yes.
You had something else in mind.
No, I love dolphins. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. So yeah, amiga, that is it for today's video.
You don't have nothing anymore on Instagram?
No. Oh, let me check for the last time. Which street are you standing at? Like the view. Oh, in the picture. You can answer that, Benny. Which street are we standing in? He likes the view.
It's a street in Barcelona.
Yes. It's very, very close to the Rambla. And he's talking about the picture that we had for the Instagram question thingy. And that was a question from Juan Pablito. So, Juan Pablito, that is a street close to the Rambla de Catalunya in Barcelona. That is it for all the questions. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a
thumbs up
and
a like.
Yes, a thumbs up is a like.
Oh.
So if you like it, make sure to give it a
thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe, please.
Yes.
And see you next time.
Yeah, we hope you loved it and until next time. Bye!
Ayo!